In this video, we'll see how we can add GST number option in checkout field. Here, if this is my checkout page, here if there is option of GST number. I can make it optional or required. It's all upon me. We'll see how we can add it. Let's go. So here we are logged into admin dashboard of WordPress. Now to add GST and field in checkout page, like currently when you show my checkout page, like I will add a product. Now go to cart and checkout. Now here we see there is no GST option here, basic detail like first name, last name, address and all. Now I want to add GST number option so that user can fill and maybe it's for their use or for your use, they can use GST fill number. Okay. For that, what we'll do, we'll install a plugin. Through plugin, we'll add a GST option. Okay. So we'll install a checkout field editor. Like we need to edit the checkout field. We'll install it plugin and we need to set up it properly so that it will get the GST field option. Click on activate. Now we have installed the plugin. Now when you go on WooCommerce, here you see checkout form. This is a basic field that we already got. So those all fields are here. You can even remove the basic field. Okay, but I don't want to remove it. Now what I will do, I will add a field and that name will be, it will be text or number. It will be text type. It will be text. Its name will be billing GST, label GST number. Placeholder if you want to get, you can give it required, no, not required, enable, display in email, yes, display in order detail page, yes. I want to display this value. Now where it is, here we see billing GST. I will add it, I think above address. Company, then there is option of GST. Here we see, now just save it. There are some shipping fields. I think there is option of getting different billing and shipping address. If you want to go in, I don't think we need in shipping field. Leave it, and there are some additional field. We will leave as of now. Now let's go on checkout. Refresh it. Here you see there's option of company name, sorry, GST, and it's optional. You can make it mandatory if you want by going here, and you can make it mandatory if you want. You see, you can make it required. Let's fill some number. Fill here the GST company name. User can fill this is everything will be same. We'll just place order. Let's see what I will get. My order is placed here. You see, thank you for this order detail. When page here in orders, you can see my order has been placed in my order detail. You can see GST number is showing even in my order detail. Here you can see. Now as an admin, let's go on orders. Go on WooCommerce, click on orders. I will view the orders. Here you can see GST number is showing. Okay, that's very easily we have added GST number and it's showing to both user and admin that you can use for your own purpose. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel.